What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be fishing in hatch. We're gonna be getting channel cap, flathead, and blue cap. Today we're gonna be using shrimp, chicken liver, worms, green worms, and the hot dogs mixed with cherry Kool-Aid still. Let's see what we catch.
You need the net?
Yeah, get it.
Take it in. Take it in.
I know. I'm gonna bring you closer. Oh, it's already stuck on the line. Hell yeah. It's a nice one. Look at the size of that. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.